In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a gallery view in Notion. To get started, open the Notion database where you want to create your gallery view. This can be any database you already use, such as a project tracker, content planner, or notes database. The important thing is that you begin inside the database itself, because the gallery view will be added as another way to display the same information. Once you're in the database, look at the top area and click the plus sign or the option labeled New View. This is where Notion lets you create different layouts for the same database, so you can organize and browse your entries in the way that works best for you. When the list of view types appears, choose Gallery. This layout is especially useful when you want your entries to feel more visual, since each database item will be displayed like a card instead of a simple row in a table. Next, enter a name for your new gallery view. Choose a name that clearly describes what this view is for, especially if you plan to create multiple views later. A clear name makes it easier to switch between layouts without confusion. After naming the view, click Done to create it. Notion will immediately generate the new gallery view and switch you into it. Take a moment to review the layout. Your database entries should now appear as cards. This is a good time to confirm that the view was created correctly and that your content is showing in a more visual format. To look more closely at any item, click on a card. This will open the entry so you can view or edit its details. If you need to update information, add notes, or check properties, this is where you can do that. If you want to add more items to the gallery, click New, or in some databases you may see a label like New Meeting. Creating a new entry here will automatically add another card to the gallery. You can also customize which properties appear on each card. This helps keep the gallery clean and useful by showing only the most relevant details at a glance. To make the gallery even more visual, add cover images. You can upload images or assign them to entries so the cards are easier to recognize and more appealing to browse. If needed, apply filters or sorting options. This can help you focus on specific entries or arrange the cards in a more helpful order. Finally, review the gallery one more time and make sure all entries are displayed correctly. Once everything looks right, your gallery view is ready to use. Thanks for watching.